Here's how to install VLC on your Mac. Now, if you wanted a third-party video or media player that also records your screen and converts various movie files from MP4 to MOV and vice versa, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up a web browser here. I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you can also use Safari. Now, on here, all we need to do is type in VLC and hit go. Now, you can see at the very top is official download of VLC Media Player, and I can tap on it. Now, once we're in here, you can see Video LAN Organization, and midway down here is Download VLC. Now, it automatically recognizes that I am in Mac OS and have Apple Silicon. So all I need to do is hit Download VLC. And it says it will start in a few seconds. If not, you can always click on this button to have it manually pop up and start. So let's click on that button here and then just tap on one of these mirrors. Now you can close out of this here and you can see at the very top right is the download. Now once this is done downloading, you can go from here basically to see the full download history, or you can tap on it to open it in Finder. You can see right here it is opened up VLC, and I can just double tap on it. And now to install it onto your Mac, all you need to do is drag it over to the Applications folder. After it's done dragging over to the Applications folder, we can open it up and I'll show you how to use it. So after it's done, let's just tap on the magnifying glass at the top right, and we'll search for VLC and hit enter. Now, it might ask me if I want to open it, and I'll hit open just because this is the first time. Now, from here, it says drop in media here. Basically, you can choose from here to hit open media and hit allow and just bring in a video. Or if there's any other video that you wanted to basically play in here, you can always right click and hit open with VLC. There's a bunch of different features on here. One of the great features is if you go to, where it is it, File, Convert and Stream, you can always convert a video. For instance, you can convert a .mov file to MP4, or you can see MP3, a bunch of different files here that you can convert from one to the other directly on your Mac. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.